So my TV got bad. I tried fixing it. They said it needs screen replacement. The cost of getting a new screen was not a worthy investment for me. So I decided to ditch that idea. You know what's crazy now? The price of new televisions. So I walked into an electronics store trying to know the prices of new set of TV. And guess what? I saw 55 inches television going for $500. That's 800,000 naira. Somewhere even more. Those prices were crazy. That was when I paused and said to myself, like, why are you doing this? I wanted something big, something immersive, something that can make watching movies and playing games feel special again. But paying that much for screen, nah, that didn't sit right with me. So I decided to do something different. Instead of spending that much in buying a screen, I decided to build a mini cinema in my home. It all started with a simple question. What do I really need in a TV? Big screen, great sound, immersive experience. I went down the rabbit hole, watching videos, reading reviews, calculating prices, and to my surprise, building a home cinema is actually more affordable than I thought. I made a list, stuck to a budget, and I started ordering things. A full HD smart projector, a set of Bluetooth speakers, HDMI cables, mounts, extension cords. I don't really need a projector screen because I'm projecting to a white painted wall. All in, the setup cost me about $200. That's less than half of the price of some of those premium TVs I was eyeing earlier. Unboxing each of those items felt like building dream piece by piece. I didn't just want to slap things together. I wanted it to feel intentional. I started by marking out the place I'm going to place the projector. Then comes the wiring. Connecting the power cord, the HDMI, trying to set the angles of the projector, trying to place the projector mount and the rest. I mounted the projector behind the couch, plugged the HDMI, the power cord, did a few tests. Setting up the projector was quite easy. Just adjust the distance and the focus, and boom, you got a 100-inch size on your wall. Mini cinema in your home, no crowd, no noise, just you, 100-inch on your wall, $200, for less than the cost of a mid-range TV. I created a full cinematic experience with better size, great sound, and a whole immersive experience. And here is the kicker. If I want to go, let's say 4K, more immersive sound, or add a little extra, I can easily do that. I'm not locked into one giant screen. Here is what I learned. You don't need to spend big to enjoy big. 2. Creativity can save you hundreds or even thousands. 3. Sometimes the smarter option is not what is on the shelf. It's what you can build yourself. So yeah, instead of buying a big TV, I built a mini cinema. It was fun, affordable, and honestly, is better than any television I have owned. If this video gave you an idea or any form of inspiration, do well to like, subscribe, comment, and all.